Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to talk about situation with QuantumScape Corporation and look on this. Wow, it's pretty high growing. Look, it's plus 300% already. That's really impressive. So before starting, you can join to my Telegram channel about investing in crypto and stock market. It's for free. Link will be down below in description or in my bio of YouTube channel. Here is the Telegram channel link and just feel free to send request. Okay, but before another thing, come here, look on this video. In the previous video, I recommend to buy QuantumScape Corporation at price $522. So in my first video, QuantumScape Corporation stock price was been 5.22, and after a while I made another video 4 months ago and I reached 369 views by the way. But now it crashed 446. And let's see how much it crashed generally. It's crashed only 20%. So after my first video, it's crashed minus 20% and I made a second video about QuantumScape Corporation stock. What else? It's 14% or 15. Look. But I'm not going to worry about QuantumScape Corporation, QuantumScape. And you can see there is a beautiful accumulation here. And I am waiting for the all-time high, close to all-time high. But by the way, the $40 in the worst case of scenario, it can be realistic. By the way, I wait for $40 and this beautiful accumulation it really works and QuantumScape Corporation grow already 300% from lowest point. So the first thing, let's reach to the $20. It's here like plus 48%, here will be plus 74%, and here will be around $40. It will be 176%. Anyway, let's hold and let's see what will be go on. I want to remind that this stock is a high risk and high reward, and right now I am not recommend to buy because it will be the big mistake when you are buying on the extreme grid. It will be of course extreme grid. Look on this strong buy, people are buying, people in FOMO because they missed this entry point of $4 or here like entry point $5. They missed it already. Look, so I recommend again buy this stock, including your portfolio, but don't forget about risks. Let's. So guys, I recommend it to buy and don't forget about risk. So I said do your diversification and include this stock in your portfolio. Who did it? My congratulations, you have a profit. You can hold your positions and wait for the goals. It depends on what is your goals. Just set your goals for this stock and sell is it based with your goals, okay? I have also another video about QuantumScape Corporation when the growing starts. 3 weeks ago I made video about QuantumScape Corporation again, and look what I'm saying. Growing, and here in current point there is 110%. So please keep in attention that here is a gap and this gap maybe will be closed. So here is a gap, and if this gap will be closed, price will be crushed around minus 31% or even like minus 40%. This is possible maybe also. So look on this last history here, the gap, and this gap has been closed by the way. Let's see the growing percent if I take from this point. By the way, I say that it's possible to filling the gap, and this gap could be closed. But by the way, maybe I am wrong. I think I was wrong, and I'm not waiting to return here. But again, it's already grow parabolic on the straight line, and the crash can be happen. So the higher price is going, the higher risk of the crash. Please remind it, okay, guys? Please remember. One day, I don't know, one time it can could be crushed, and if price will come here, the gap can be closed, and I will buy it more. So I will buy it again, QuantumScape Corporation. And in the previous video, I said you can you can do speculative if you want, if you are speculator. But by the way, paying speculative is not a good idea because you are taking only, for example, 100% of profit here, like 100. Okay, but what if you are not speculative? If you hold a long term, it's happening like growing 300% or even 1000%, like here. Look, 1500%, or here even 900%. It's already x10 of profit. $37, it's x10 profit. So my forecast is not always work. I'm also the human, and I can make mistakes. By the way, all his history, opening gap has been filled. Here, opening gap, this gap has been filled. By the way, opening gap, it's filled. Go here. Look, here is gap, but that gap has been filled again. And if I go up, there is no gap that is not filled. Ah, here is another gap. Look, but this gap is not yet filled. It's not filled yet. I think maybe in this time, if the price will reach $80, it will be filled. If I go here to the starting, look, here's a here is a gap, and it's filled partly, and this part left to be filled, but it's not filled in that time. But by the way, look, I think it can be happen the same later, maybe after a few months, or maybe after 1 year. The gap, this gap can be filled. But let's follow the situation, and let's see what will be happen. I wish you success in investing in stock and in crypto market who hold this QuantumScape Corporation stock. You can also get out from this stock part by part. For example, first part, first 25% you are selling here or even here, and then wait to here to sell your next 25% or 50% of profit. It's based on your goals. What, how are you selling? It's up to you. When to sell, how much to sell. Okay? I want to show you another fact about QuantumScape Corporation stock. So when I open Google Trends and just search the topic QuantumScape Corporation and place United States here, region and country, and past 5 years, look on this latest over time, and here in 2021 QuantumScape stock interest becomes 100. But look on the price in 2021. Look on December 2020. It's the all-time high. And about 2021, when it crashed, like here, people are searched really, but people forgot to search in this point. Like, let's come to Google Trends again. Look, here is 2021, but in here, December 2020, search is too low. But after a while, it's in the trends here, 2021 again. For example, this point, look, July 14, to 2024. So look, this is a July of 2024. Of course, when the price is growing, people start interesting about QuantumScape Corporation. When price is crashing, no one wants to search it. Look another example. December 2023 and January 2024 here in this point. And here there is a January 2024, here December 2023 when the price is growing. Look, for example, this point, July 2023, from July 23 and 29. Look, so this is July 23, right? And it really worked. It's really worked. And now the interest become grow. Look here, in momentum it's grow, then crash, and then it's going to be grow. So why it's grow and little bit crash? Because look, it grow here and little bit crash. The same thing. The chart is repeating. Here the grow and crash. People are searching the same way. Grow, crash, and it will be grow to high. I think why QuantumScape Corporation is not reached all-time high yet, because the interest will not 100 yet. I think if the QuantumScape Corporation will be reached to the all-time high, in that case of scenario, the interest of searching of QuantumScape Corporation will become also all-time high. So that's simple, and it's possible to see all-time high in this Google Trends also. But in Google Trends, it's not yet all-time high, by the way. Alright guys, this is the information from Google Trends, and also I forgot to show you the latest by sub-region in United States. First place is California, 100, Alaska, 80, the third place, New Jersey, 80%, Washington for 74 in fourth place, and here uh, look, this one in right place, 74. Here is also visible California and another states of United States. What about country? Look, let's change to the country as a worldwide, and let's see past 5 years. The chart is the same one, the similar one. Maybe it's a little bit smaller. And if I come here, look, Israel in the top one place. Really? Wow, wow, wow! It's higher than United States. I don't believe that. Israel 100. I couldn't believe really, but I'm surprised. The second place, of course, United States, because the stock market from United States, and United States has the highest economics. Here, the Canada, number three, the third place. Here, Canada, United States, and Israel here is not visible, by the way. Maybe if I zoom in, I want to see the Israel, but it is not visible. How they how they determine that Israel is top one? I don't know. Here is a good views. Maybe where is it? I cannot move the map, and here is the Estonia 39, Singapore 56, and if I go here, Estonia 39, Hong Kong 37, Slovenia 32, Switzerland 24, South Korea 22, and here Belgium, Portugal, Denmark, United Arab Emirates, Hungary, here New Zealand, Finland, Ireland, Malaysia, Japan, and here Czechia, United Kingdom, Australia, Netherlands, Greece, and if I go forward, look, Romania, Australia, Saudi Arabia, Sweden, and Spain. By the way, here just I show you top 30 countries that search QuantumScape Corporation. Anyways, look here, the top holders update. Just they increase their capital. Vanguard Group is the first place, BlackRock in the second. Look, shares 35 million of Vanguard and 15 million, almost 16 million of BlackRock, and it's hold Vanguard 6.86%. It's already equal to value $500,000, and BlackRock it's equal to $200,000. That's it about top institutional holders. And if I go down, you can also see top mutual fund holders. You can see Vanguard Index Funds, Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund hold this one. And it's already $176,000 because of growing price. Okay, this is about holders. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you find my video helpful, then like my video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to support my channel. So again, another reminder, I don't recommend to buy this stock right now in the process of growing. I always recommend to buy the stock in the process of crashing. Okay, I am saying you, see you in the next video. Bye bye.